Good morning, guys. Alright, so this happened to me today. Came out to move my truck. I had auto started it. Parked it where I needed it to be so that it wasn't blocking another vehicle on our property. Came back out trying to go to the gym and won't freaking start. So I tried to start it already. Not only will it not start, but it won't turn off. Go to AC and it'll go to run, but it won't turn off. Here, I'll try to start it and show you guys what kind of crap goes on up on the screen. You can hear that little electric sound, hopefully. My head unit did come on in the beginning, but now it's not. Can't raise or lower the vehicle at all using the air suspension. You can see everything else is turned off. The tow haul's not on or anything like that. But it's giving me all this stuff too. Service trailer brake. Service immediately the air suspension. Power steering unavailable. When I tried to raise or lower it before, there you go, I just hit the button. It says cannot be lowered, retract power steps, which you can't do because the head unit's not working. As you can see, the key is right here on my center console, so it's not that. I will say this morning, when I first noticed this issue, I unsuccessfully tried to start it a few different times, but then I shook the truck while I was holding the button and the brake down, kind of just with my rear in the seat, and it actually did start. When it started, there was some smoke coming out of the tailpipes, but it wasn't like a lot or anything, but it was coming out, and it had like a little burnt smell to it as well. I don't know what the hell's going on. My truck's got less than 36,000 miles on it. But like I said, since I shook the truck and it did start earlier, I want to say there's going to be some type of loose connection somewhere. So I'm going to go ahead and troubleshoot this. I haven't found another video that has like the exact same problems that I'm experiencing. So hopefully I'll figure this out, and then I'll post a follow-up video and try to help you guys out. But yeah, Ram, do better.